Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kia Sportage service light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without actually starting the engine. This powers up the dashboard. Next, use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the various display menus. You'll need to find the service interval option within these menus to begin the reset process. Once you've located the service interval menu on your display, press the OK button, usually found on your steering wheel, to select it. Within this menu, you'll typically see options like Reset or Adjust Service Interval. Carefully select the appropriate option to prepare for the reset. Confirm your choice to move to the next step in the process. To finalize the reset, you will usually need to press and hold the OK button for several seconds. The exact duration might vary slightly, but typically around 3 to 5 seconds is sufficient. After holding, the display should show a confirmation message indicating the service interval has been reset. The service light on your dashboard should now be off. If the service light remains on after following these steps, don't worry. Simply repeat the process carefully, ensuring each selection is made correctly. For model-specific instructions, or if you encounter any difficulties, always consult your Kia Sportage owner's manual. It provides detailed information tailored to your vehicle. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.